There is a video of using the function. This is my second video today. Module 1 of this course is part 2 of chapter 1 of basic electronics covering key components. Part 1, which I showed you, was an overview of electronics, and this is part 2. Welcome friends on this channel of mine. If we go to the market to purchase the multimeter, then it is enough. We have a lot of multimeter options. Take any multimeter from this, there is no problem. You can also get cheaper, you can also get expensive. Take any multimeter that we need in the laptop and the multimeter in the motherboard, all the functions that are available in any multimeter. And this in the board of our laptops and desktops. What is the function that we have to use? Here we have 5 functions which come in the regular use of the multimeter. That means in that testing, what is our first function? What is our AC? The symbol of AC. This symbol will appear in every multimeter. This has become 1. And what is this second symbol here? What is the second symbol here? DC symbol. Okay, you remember this symbol. Okay, I still say friends. You write it in the book. Write it in the book, friends. Like I'm going to go ahead and ask some questions. He also has to pay for it. I will go ahead and do a live stream. I will answer your questions, but I will also have questions for you. You have to answer. So I still say, guys, write it up. Okay, this is our DC symbol number 2. Now we have the third.
Fourth, what is the symbol of ohm in number 12? Write it down.
The symbol of continuity, right? This which is the symbol of continuity, right? This will be our third one. Now which one is ours? Fourth. What is this number 12? What is the symbol of ohm in number 12? There's writing there. What is the symbol of ohm to you? Friends, you have to write that in the book. Please tell me to write, because if you write our series that has started now, then it will be very easy for you in the future. Okay? And what's the last one? Fifth, which is our symbol diode. Its name is diode OK. I will tell you right now, AC OK. This is AC second, which is DC symbol third, which is continuity symbol in which beeps. Fourth is the symbol of arms to write arms. He has to create people ahead of him. Mums write inside the book. And fifth, which is diode mode. Whenever I will talk about diode mode somewhere in the future, then you should sit in your mind that which is the diode mode in the multimeter. Okay, so this is our diode mode. Fifth, okay, all these functions. All of our multimeters are available. There are also cheap ones and there are also expensive ones. So we do not have to buy expensive multimeters. Well, right now we are learning here. You can see I have 2 multimeters. One with a large display, and one with a small display. Most people use it. Small enough to carry and has quite good function. This is fine. So what is our multimeter? How will we install the cable in it? Friends, anytime, look here. Here, the continuity that we speak and the mark of the diode is showing here is fine. Then what do we have to put on this mark? Red probe. Then I will put red probe here. And what is showing a COM here? Then what do we have to put in the COM? Black probe. Okay, black probe installed. Now look here, friend. This symbol over here is showing which symbol is. Tell me, friends, is the symbol of DC, okay? Now how will we set the DC symbol? We will set it in such a way as if our adapter is done. How much volt comes to our adapter? 19,599 volt, 20 volt is okay. If these are volts, then we will check it by keeping it at 20 volts. Here is this probe, we will check it with this probe. And if like we have to check AC, like we have to check power code, etc. Then to check power code, what range do we have to keep, friends? This is the AC symbol, as we were told. AC symbol, then we have to keep it at 600, okay. We do not have to keep it at 200. 200 will decrease because our AC current is in the range of 220 to 250. Then we have to keep it at 600 and check it. Okay, these two symbols have come in the multimeter now. Which one of ours has come now? It has become ours. Diode here. See this here, but there is no diode here. What is just set here? Two options given, two functions given on the same pin. Then if you see which function is installed here, then see our continuity here. The function is installed. We hear the beep. See this? If we hear a beep on it, then this is a continuity symbol. If we have to take a diode, we have to press it once. Look here. Our diode symbol has arrived. Then look at the diode symbol to touch it. Our 0 is showing ohms. Okay. And now our 4 has become 12 to 34. Now our symbol has become here. This symbol of ohms. What is the check in the symbol of ohms? Check it out, guys. Well, write it in the book and its symbol contains register check, right? And all of these in the function of these, two of these, many of our things are MOSFET check. A lot of things are checked. Then I will tell us further. Then what is on this is our register is checked. Okay, friends. Thank you so much for watching the video. And the next video that will come ours. Okay. Register to register, I will teach you how, which register has to be checked, how is it wrong, how is it right in all things.
The next video I will teach was my second video of the course. Thank you for watching this video.